Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same unit which we have learnt in the last session. And do you remember the name of the lesson? Yes, the name of the lesson is Peace and Harmony. And in the last class, about what we have discussed about the different types of animals and where do they live? They live in forest. Means we have discussed about the wild animals which lived in the forest. And do you remember the story? Yes, once there was a big forest in that different types of animals, birds, and different types of creatures used to live. And they used to be musical nights in the forest. Means because they were uh, happily enjoying the company of one another, because though there are different animals like elephants, deers, giraffes, snakes, rabbits, like that, there are many different types of animals, but they used to live together, they used to roam together, and they used to sleep together, and they used to enjoy happily, and they used to dance, they used to sing, and they used to enjoy. And daily there were musical nights in the forest. In that, who used to dance? Elephant and yeah, elephants and deers used to dance. Tiger and bear used to do gymnastics. Parrots and mynas used to sing. No, so who were the guests of honors for their musical nights? The moon and his friends. Who are his friends? The stars. Stars and the moon were the guest of honors for their musical nights. And who has entered in the forest? Yes, the jackal. How he used to look? He was very dangerous and dirty. And what he has done? He slowly started polluting all the animals' mind, and they have separated them. Before they used to live together, now they have started to move in their own groups or individually, and they have created their own boundaries around their properties. Till here, by seeing all this, the moon was feeling very sad and it started crying. Till here we have learned the lesson in the last session. Now we will continue with the remaining part of the lesson. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. They cried, sobbed, and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest, and the sadhu listened to them. So, what the moon has decided, by seeing their pain in the forest, as the small creatures were killed by the jackal, and there were no one to help the small animals. So, by seeing all these things, the moon has decided to go down among the animals and the birds in a get-up of sadhu. Sadhu means a holy man or sage or ascetic. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. Means, as soon as they saw the sadhu in the forest, all the animals approached him. Approach means to come near or nearer to somebody. Means they went near to the sadhu and started to narrate means to tell a story, means they started to tell the story of their problems. Woe means the problems that somebody has, or extreme sadness. So they started to explain their problems to the sadhu. They cried, sobbed, and blamed each other. Sobbed means to speak while you are crying, means they are means even we also we talk while crying. The small children like you, while crying they will talk, which is not clear. So they are also crying, sobbed, and blamed each other. Blame means to say that a certain person is responsible for something bad that has happened. Even we also, if we break any if you break any thing in your house, and you want to escape from it, you will blame it on your younger sister or brother. In the same way, they also started blaming one another for disturbing the peace in the forest. And the sadhu listened to them while they are explaining their problems. A sadhu was listening to them. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl, and the monkeys. So the sadhu brought together who the lion and the rabbits for a common meal. Means generally we invite our relatives for a meal. Like that only the sadhu also invited lion and rabbits for a common meal. And also he visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. Python and viper are a type of snakes. They are one of the type of snakes. So uh, he visited them and he had a long chat with them. He advised Eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mothers. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. So sadhu went along with tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. Means when the tiger and bear were going to the nearest market, the sadhu also went along with them. He played with the bulbul and the owl and the monkeys. He played with the different type of animals in the forest. Who? Sadhu. But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So by seeing all these things, Jackal was very angry because Jackal want to separate all the animals and it want to attack them and he want to eat them. But what Sadhu is doing? He is making all the animals again together. So the jackal is not happy with the sadhu, and uh, as because jackal don't want the animals to live in peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. Harmony means a state of living together peacefully. So jackal don't want them to be peace and happy. So he wanted so the jackal is waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. Means the jackal want to attack sadhu because he is making everyone again together. But the jackal don't want that. So the jackal want to attack the sadhu. One day, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pledged and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. So one day, all the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting. In that meeting, they all have decided unanimously means unitedly means everyone with one decision they have approached to Sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. They requested Sadhu to kill the jackal. But what did Sadhu say? He don't want to kill the jackal, but he will help in a different way. To whom he will help? He will help the remaining animals in a different way. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. When the sun went to sleep means in the evening, the jackal went to the hens. The jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. Means as the sun set, the jackal went to the house of hens to have few of them for his supper. Means for his dinner. Then the sadhu who had been lodging nearby, means who was staying near the house of hens, saw the jackal and he came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Then he said that, take me today for your meal. So instead of hens, you take me for your meal. The jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces, and ate him up. The animals were very sad, angry, and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. They were afraid that hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Then they heard a strange noise, as of them ran in that direction. What they saw surprised them. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to blot until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds, and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. So, when the sadhu asked the jackal to have him for his meal, the jackal who was waiting, already the jackal want to attack the sadhu. So, it was a good opportunity for the jackal. So, what did it do? It dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place. What did he do? He dragged the sadhu and he dragged to a lonely place and tore sadhu into pieces and ate him up. The animals were very sad, angry, and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. The animals were very much sad because the jackal has uh, eaten the sadhu. They were afraid, even they are afraid whether that hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Means again they may attack, it may attack the animals also. So they are afraid. Then they heard a strange noise. While they are afraid and they are thinking that whether it may appear next day, they heard a strange noise. They all ran in that direction. What they saw surprised them when they ran to the direction from where they are listening that noise. When they reached the place, they were surprised to see what is happening there. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. Means the stomach of the jackal was growing very big. It continued to blot until it burst. Blot means become bigger and bigger. How much big it is growing is until the stomach of the jackal get bursted. Till then the stomach was growing big. Then they heard a soft voice. After that, they heard a soft voice saying that, may my animals, birds, and insects live in peace and harmony. So, they heard a voice saying that, may my animals, birds, and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. Means there will, I hope that there should not be any fences around you. And may you sing and dance once again. I hope you will sing and dance again. Remember me and be not afraid. So this soft voice, they heard a soft voice saying these words. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in peace. They broke down the fences which they had built. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, means having a lot of light or very brightly, spreading the milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and live together in peace. They broke down the means they have built all the fences. No, they have started means they have broke all the fences which they have built. Again, there were musical evenings, and they invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. Cultural means connected with the customs, ideas, beliefs of a society. So, by uh, by this we understand that the moon, who was very sad with the situations in the forest, helped them in a, uh gesture of sadhu, and again it made all the situations normal. Here are the few hard words for you students. Sadhu, approached, narrate, woe, sobbed, blamed, harmony, unanimously, blot, brilliantly, cultural. I want you to write these hard words in your notes and practice the spellings. Means you need to learn the spellings of these words. And home assignment for you is write the hard words and meanings in the notes. Students, I have given you the meanings of the hard words which I have given you above. So I want you to write those hard words separately in your notes, and also these meanings, and you need to learn the meanings and the spellings of the hard words. Okay students, we will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.